Hey guys, it's Roscoe, and on the Space Couch today, as you know, my Yodas have given me very good service for the last couple of years. There you see them there. But they're getting a bit time expired, unfortunately. I mean, this is... See how horrified it is at the state of the souls. It's making a face. And the other one is just as bad. It's even more horrified. So unfortunately, my Yodas are time expired. And to be honest, going up the stairs in these is pretty dangerous because it keeps banging against the step ahead like that. So what I got instead is I saw these in Lidl. Star Trek, so turn them that way you can see. And these were $7.99. So there it is. It's the United Federation of Planets, Starfleet Command. So yes, and as you can see, much easier to actually wear. So got these just before Christmas present to myself. So what should I call these? Are those my Yodas? What should we call these? My Kirks? Or maybe my Spocks? I don't know. It'll be something like that. But they're very comfortable. When I first put them on, I mean, they're flattened a bit now. It was like I had an inch of foam. I was sliding off the edges of them. But these are very comfortable. They do fall off a little bit because obviously that's the nature of these kind of flip-floppy designs. But that is what they look like there. No horrified faces so far. Oh, still the little tag from when the price was. No horrified faces so far on these. But yes, these are my new slippers. And I'm very sad to wave goodbye to my Yodas. But as you can see, they are definitely time expired. So there you go, guys. That was just a little thing I picked up for myself for Christmas to replace the old and in with the new. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for a upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.